Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and this is one of the 20 radios that Jeff brought me to show you. This is the smallest one. You can see the name on there, which is the name of the company, I believe, that sells bottled water. My guess is they probably gave this out at a trade show. That's my guess, and Jeff got it used. It's FM only. It has a light, which is momentary, so you don't burn up the battery. Has a belt clip on the back. Uses 2 AAA batteries. You initially use the scan function to find stations in your area. This is the volume button here, and the on off. And over here we have the earphone jack. It does not have a built-in speaker, so you got to use a set of earphones, plus the earphone wire is used as the FM antenna. So you would like clip this to your belt and then run the wire for the earbuds up your side into your ears, and that would act as the antenna. Does a pretty good job. Of course, in my location there's lots of strong FM stations. Pretty cool. Here's the manual that came with it. Jeff even had the manual. Notice they use the word torch instead of light. So I think that's maybe Asian term for light or European term for light. Like I say, it scans the US FM band. And it tells you right there, the antenna earphone cable is the antenna. Pretty cool. I want to thank Jeff for providing me with these radios to show you. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm doing shows that you're interested in and not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.